Hello guys and welcome in this video. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install VS Code in Windows 11. So the first thing that you have to do is open your browser and write VS Code. Then you need to navigate to the official website, which is the code.visualstudio.com, and you need to press download for Windows. If you don't see this button, then you can also go to the download button on the top right. So I will click that, and then when I do that, I see there is a message coming, and then immediately the file that I will need to install VS Code has started downloading. So when this is done, we can basically just click on it, and then another window will pop up, which will be the setup for the installation. So now the download is done, and then I can press and I see the window appears. The next step is to accept the agreement and press next, and then for the selected additional task, I will need to have those defaults selected, and I will also create a desktop icon, and then I press install. So now that will install on my computer VS Code, and when this is done, we will be able to open the window in shortly. Okay, now it's done, and then we can see that we can immediately launch Visual Studio. I will not click that right now. I will remove it and click finish. So now I can go back to the desktop and search for VS Code and click press, and now we have successfully uh, installed Visual Studio on Windows 11. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.